Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it earn it. Those who don't pay it. Compounding means your money earns returns, and then those returns earn more returns. It's not magic. It's math multiplied by time. In the beginning, growth feels small, but with consistency, small steps turn into leaps. The longer you stay invested, the harder your money works. Time is the most loyal business partner you'll ever have. Invest $10,000 at 10% growth. Year 1 gives $1,000. But by year 20, that same money becomes nearly $67,000 just by staying invested. Most people stop too soon. They pull out early, interrupting the very process that builds wealth. Patience turns good returns into great ones. At Perpetual Investment Group, we apply compounding to real assets, income from real estate, and appreciation from luxury watches working together over time. Compounding rewards patience, not perfection. Start small, stay steady. Subscribe for weekly lessons that make money simple, practical, and powerful. Because wealth isn't rushed, it's refined.